Welcome to Lana's Homestead and my one-year permaculture garden. I've taken it from grass to sheet mulch to thriving food forest. So I'm going to plant this key lime tree. It's a dwarf size tree into a pot. And I recently found out that citrus trees do pretty well in a pot, and in my region I'm in zone 5B, so there's a good winter, so it wouldn't survive outside, but you can bring the trees inside. They'll survive fine throughout the winter, and then in the warm and the summer months you can bring it outside and hopefully I'll get some limes. So I just filled this up with some good compost, and I actually got this from Home Depot online. You can get it from some nurseries. It's just like citrus trees in my area isn't like, not many people grow them, so it was kind of hard to find them at a local nursery. I found one spot, but they were already sold out by the time I tried to buy it, so I actually just got this online at Home Depot. So let's see how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. It's already got some blossoms on it, so that's really awesome. Maybe we'll get some fruit this year. I'd be surprised if we got any limes this year, but maybe next year we can get some. Dwarf varieties are a little different than like a regular tree. You might get some fruit a little faster. I think like usually it's like year 4 is when you would get fruit, but this guy's probably already a year old. And he's pretty wet still. He was packaged pretty well. So I'm just gonna kind of tickle the roots here, get it out of this like rectangle shape that it was living in. It doesn't have to grow in that shape. I want it to expand and grow out and fill out the pot and get larger. So, put it in. So I just want to give it some support and push it down. And let's give it a good drink. So here is the lime tree now. It's about, I don't know, I'd say 8 months later. It's winter, so I brought the tree inside, and it's doing really well. It's like tripled in size, I'd say. I have it here in a south-facing window with my other plants. My beautiful amaryllis bloomed, which is just a wonderful pop of color in the dead of winter. Remind us that spring is on the way soon. Yeah, and it periodically has little blooms on it, which is exciting. So maybe this summer get some limes. On May 15th, I will bring the lime tree back outside. That's our average last frost date in my area. And then I'll just leave it outside until we start getting frost warnings, and then I'll bring it back inside. And then I water it about once a week. I just kind of like feel the soil. Feels, I stick my finger in there. It feels dry right now, so it could definitely use some water. And what I do is I just place it inside my bathtub and give it a shower. Indoor plants are pretty susceptible to, there's just like different little bugs and mildews and dust and things. So just like a human being, it's nice to get a shower, and it kind of imitates like rain. So I bring it into the shower, get it real wet, all the leaves real wet, douse the soil really well, give it a really good soak. And then, about once a week I'll come and check it and see if it needs more water.